Well, Abafethu, this is your boy. I'm King Shamase. Welcome to another exciting episode. This is your number one show, Abafethu Nyazla Pakatek 2 TV, but Lena is Kipan reality show podcast. Angihambi ke ngedwa as always, ngihlezi ngiphethe ama guest ami amazingly sharing their craft and so forth. So try guys ni subscribe laphayana and share so that we grow. Ngeke ngisapholisa kaMaseko but mhlawumbe ngiqale ngibonge and appreciate abantu abasilekelelile since day 1 iqala ishow yethu ikhula until sifike la ku 2026. Right now sisakaza bukhoma ke endaweni yase rank kuzazi la mangabe nje wazosizakala office we are around lapho la ekhaya ke kakhuzwayo. Guys, we are trying to establish something for amaciko. It's gonna become an art center, this place, very soon, by help of wonke kamaciko khona eduze. Phinde sibonge lapha yabuSpe Pine Town usilekelelile kakhulu. You can see ukuthi inhlelo zethu zeDanko Disc TV sesisakazela bukhoma ePine Town ePine Crest. Sibonga isicelo skills for supporting us. Sibonga uChule IT for making sure ukuthi kuyasebenzeka. Ngingambalanga manje so be simkhumbule uproducer wami lapho uthi isikhathi sincane kakhulu. Mfethu namhlanje ke njoba ngishithi angihambi ngedwa ngiphethe ubhuti wami lana, my colleague, my friend, you can name me a lot. Kodwa kuningi ngicela ukungayusho mina, ngicela introduce yena. Welcome to the show, my king.
Yeah, king.
Grant.
Ndimnandi butama njani?
Mani fresh butama.
Yes.
Sidlalilanga nje namhlanje.
Kuyafika eThekwini.
Hayi, sibonge king. Mfethu mhlambe abantu emakhaya ungathini lapha kubona.
Okay, ukuqala nje ndizocela ukubingelela lapha emakhaya. Sithi molonini. Ethu nani? King. Ndimthanda nyanyana.
Ubani uGMS?
Okay, yeah, uGMS mfana wale emakhaya. Uqhamuka ngapha eC. Kodwa ke currently ndimningi kakhulu kweliqala la ngapha eThekwini. That's where endiyamenda hamba nahlangana nayo ke le ndoda le endawo namhlanje, King Shamas.
Yes sir.
Ekuyona ndoda ke endiyisebenzisana nayo kakhulu. Ikakhulukazi ke when it comes to i-career yami yaka music, iyona ndoda nje endiyisebenzisana nayo kakhulu.
Thank you so much. Ngizwile Abafethu ukuthi shout out to which side? Eastern Cape.
Hayi khona bePizana ndikho.
Pizana. Okay, kuseduze Pizana. Eastern Cape usukusodi.
Yeah, it's only 2 hours to drive.
Okay. Mfethu nathi mele sithole umhlaba ke lapha.
You're more than welcome.
It's not far.
You're more than welcome.
We are family. Shout out to mfethu lapho mhlambe emabangeni aphansi mhlambe wafundela ePizana.
Yeah, ngifunde khona nje ePizana. Ngisase primary nje bengisesikoleni eLthulini.
eThulini.
So mangiqede primary ngaya high school Winnie Mandela Comtech.
Okay.
Yes, so izona isikole lesi kuzona.
No, shout out to Leo lawo mabanga omabili. This is your boy GMS, your product. So theba ngabe gwekwa kube ukuthi anishanga kahle incwadi lapha ya. Animqondisaka because represent nina wherever he goes. And then mnganami you came eThekwini nini usuzokwenzani mhlambe after your matric and stuff?
Okay, xa ndigqiba ngo2014 ne ndiyenda aya kwela cala laseGauteng.
Okay.
Ndike ndafike ndahlala khona ngicabanga ukuthi ndihlale khona pha 2 years, 2015 2016 2017. So ndabuya ke ndeza ngapha kwela cala laseThekwini. So ever since ke ndifikile apha eThekwini ndisakhona ke nangoku, yabo. So ukuya kwami ke kwela cala laseGauteng ne andikusho lento endandicinga ba mhlawumbe ndizafike ndiyifumana because you will know ukuthi ama-artist amaningi ama-artist amaningi ndingawamenshina mhlawumbe kungaphela incwadi makuthiwa ndibhala phansi wonke xa ngabe eqala ukudevelopa noma ezama ukuvelela kwi-industry yaka music ashona ngamsho nama-actors yabaya ngapha kwela cala laseGauteng then ke basebebuyela ezindaweni zabo obvious suke sebenamagama. So ngelixesha nami ndisiya ke ngapha nandicingela ba mhlawumbe kanye ndizafike ndiyifumane lonto leyo. Unfortunately ke andiyifumananga.
Usuka nje ekhaya straight uhanjiswa i-career. Nothing else.
Yeah, that's it. So nandizixelela nje ba okay uze ndikwazi ba mhlawumbe kanye ndikwazi ukuvela nami ngokukhawulezileyo awuthi
Yeah.
ke ndibalekele kwela cala luckily ke vele bendinazo i-family members ebeziphaya
Oh,
so
yes.
bengingasikona nje ukuthi nje
U-stranded,
yeah so kwaba akuzange kube nzima but owafike kwanzimela ukuthi andifubananga i-connection and stuff umuntu ongakwazi ukuthi mhlambe andiphushe yonke loo nto leyo yebo.
uhlelile space sokusona ungasekhaya
Exactly.
still awunabantu abenza into efanayo le kade
Exactly,
uyenza
exactly that. Nanokuthi ke futhi ndiyahalela ukuyiveza le into wena King ukuthi emhlabeni endikhulele kuwo man yabona ngumhlaba engizothi it's a poor area, you understand, so zonke izinto phazi zifika kade noma zifika mhlawumbe ezinye kodwa zihamba kancinci, understand, so noba umuntu unetalente whatever anayo kunzima ukukhawuleze ayidevelop nje
okay
yabo ngaleyo ndlela fast, you understand, because yonke into iza kanzima,
delays amathuba kude
mathuba nje akude kakhulu yabo, so ingakho ke nami decide ukuthi no,
let me move out
yeah because angizohlala and relax because ndiyaziva ndinayo most understand.
Usathinta lelo phuzo elijulile ngokubuka kwakho yini edala ukuthi amathuba abe scarce to your area noma endaweni efana njengase ngizothi semakhaya ne, if to be specific Kophizana and stuff, it's a rural place. What makes that bakhona nomasipala khona into efana noma namakhansela injani environment compared to what you know now ela eThekwini?
Uyabona King, as much as ndingazungena deep kwinto ephathiselene o-government and stuff, andikwazi ukuzithetha izinto ezikanjalo okanye ndinqwenela ukungazithethi kakhulu, kodwa ndingayisho into yobana i-development mfethu ilethwa ngo-government endaweni. Well, if u-government kunguye orhudula iy'nyawo noma o-lazy to bring intuthuko endaweni, ayikho nomphakathi wonke usuke ucindezelekile, understand, yabo, because u-government brown nguye osuke sisemathubeni yabo okwenza nantoni to create izikolo za-music nayo yonke into le aletha ama-sponsors kudlalwa ibhola yonke. Well, if engayenzi loo nto leyo of which ayikho indlela yokuthi nathi singavelelela, yibona.
Did you have ama-leaders of such uthola ukuthi umuntu uyayibona ukuthi no guys we need to get sibe nama-ground la okhuthalela ama-sports, i-lead ekhuthalela umusic bese kuba ukuthi mhlambe loyo muntu akaxhaseki-ke mhlambe mhlambe ikhansela limlekeleli kodwa yena ukhona uyayiveza ukuthi uyafisa ukubona i-entertainment noma ingane igcineka safe ngokwama-sports and music, bebekhona abantu abanjalo elalini?
Ngiyayithanda i-question yakho King. I think bazokhumbula ababukeli pha emakhaya kakhulukazi kulaa ndawo endikhulele kuyo ngeli xesha bendisesesikolweni. Bendingumuntu kakhulu bethanda umusic futhi ebendibhizi kakhulu ngawo umusic. Abantwana nje ebebesondelene nami around the area bendiba amakhwaya, understand, ndenze nje those small competitions kuzocula kwenzeni, ndike ndacreate ne-association yebhola. I think it was 2012 2010, yeah if I'm not mistaken, and ngenda abantu association whereby bendo-registile under iBizana or Tambo district, umasipala waseBizana. So abantu bazokhumbula nalo nje sike sadlala nje kakhulu ibhola elimnandi, kodwa unfortunately akuzange akuzange ngilekelele ngale ndlela engangifuna ngayo. Kwabonakala ukuthi futhi izinto eziningi manje sezikhosta mina kanti sengumntwana wesikole, so ngiyahluleka kwesinye isikhathi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi uma kuphela isizini King kunabadlali abaye bavelele only find that bayadinga ukuthi mhlambe banga-assistwa ngezinto ezithizeni, just to encourage i-talent labo, you understand. So mina imali ezikanjalo ndanizozithatha ngumntana wesikole, as much as ndandisithanda
unayo ivision kodwa manje
kodwa ndangingancediseki nganto, you understand. And ukhansela mama uNozamile, you will remember me. You will remember me.
Awuhlupha kulama office awuphuma ungena.
Ngaknokha one way dog. Ngaknokha one way. Yeah.
No mfethu siyabonga because siyabo yonke into uthi yadonselana. I'm glad ukuzwa ukuthi your leadership skills akafika kuleyo level usamncane kangaka. Kungakona ukuthi wenzela wena ucabangela wena kuphela because you have your own talent but wayibuka at large ukuthi what about laba abanye abafana nami abangayitholi these platforms mhlambe ngoba usakhona bathi iphupho lomuntu alifi I think into efana nale usayiconsider isho ukuthi whenever izinto zakho ilungu sangaphindele ekhaya and develop the place
exactly kuliphupho lami elo king elingasoze life mhlambe ke liyobulawa kukufa kwami king ngisafisa nami ukubona indawo yaphanga kwithi ikhula ideveloper i-teen 18 kodwa dinawo umyalezo othizeni kuyindawo zonke andizugxila kakhulu kule yami indawo engisuka kuyo but kuzo zonke in fact nje nala sizokwazi ukuthi sifinyelele khona and yaqela siqaphelisise kakhulu indaba ye talent because asizuya esikolweni sonke ngendlela le efunekayo ngalendlela ke abazali nabendlela basuke basikhulise ngaba encourage ngesikolo and stuff of which is very important it's an important thing you understand but angeke sifunde sonke understand kodwa ikhona enye indlela yokuphilisana ikhona nenye indlela futhi yokuphila you understand so well if usiyambona umntana no man uyayithanda lento man and uyayenza lento masim supporteni masimxhaseni as much as we can and sigcibela abanye abantwana bese besafarisha kuma depressions and stuff uyabo besenza izinto ezisnacks bewele ema drugsini bethini it's not like mhlambe but kungafumana inxaso nakusupporteka and stuff so agcina umntana give up and then abone ukuthi there is no me.
I love your point. It's so valid, my king, because if ubuka abebala bese ubuka thina bakwantu ezikoleni zethu we don't have anymore singisakhula bekusakhona but ngithena mangithi kwabakwaya ngokuphela ama sports abe too much besinawo fully music beswenza esikoleni before uthi uyaphuma mhlawumbe usuyachoose ukuthi uyakiphi career but ubungena kokhwaya ungene yonke indawo kwabe ungafakaza lapho it was a lot of activities leyo nto yenza ukuthi ufunda ama leadership skills uphinde uyingane ungabi nesikhathi esesandleni esiningi ngakwena uyazi ukuthi umuye ekhaya unama chores ekhaya after that uye ebholeni ubuya late wenze homework i-routine yakhe safe and clean yabo awusithola isikhathi sokuhlala emgaqweni and talk izinto eziphambene bese ubuka ke laba bebala ikole zabo they make sure ukuthi they invest more kulezi zinto eshoda ngazo go to Kloof we will see kune basketball courts kune football mhlawumbe ama field awu4 in one school ungene ngaphakathi there's a lot music nani bayayenza academic ama skills and career but ba invest more kuma sports and leyo nto ikutshela ukuthini uyabo khona la igeja khona when it comes to our people and our schools with government because hayi ukuthi sidinga ikole ezispecial ezihlukile kuzona lezi kufunda kuzona from your primary fanele ngabe kuno music kunani ngigqugquzela kulokho kushoyo ukuthi we are not all academic inclined abanye bethu basebenza ngezandla nokuciko so ayikhale mfethu we don't need ama support
and the king in additional dog enye into endifuna basirious si understand so Mzansi Africa siyadingana we make each other ake specifically kuleli side like sports you understand siyakhana lapha umuntu wakho umunye umuntu ukhanda umunye umuntu igama ulakha usizwa omunye umuntu you understand like ngiyafuna ukuyimention lento le like singakhuluma ngo Babes Wodumo Babes Wodumo she is coming from uMampintsha sikhuluma ngabo Zakes Bantwini Zakes Bantwini is coming from uBlack Coffee yabo baningi kakhulu of which lento engishoyo
someone has opened the door for
exactly you understand abo Big Nazi they are coming from somewhere yabo abo DJ Tira you are coming from somewhere okay understand now serious now umalume siyampraise siyamthobela siyamhlonipha igama lakhe nje lilodwa understand but naye uyazazi ukuthi ewulo DJ Tira ewumalume namhlanje
khona umuntu onarisha
noma kukhona somebody who tries by all means ukuthi uyalakha igama lakhe ukuthi livelelele kuzoba kanjalo namhlanje so as a belief ngiyacela more especially producers. I'm
Yeah.
begging you guys, please make the artists, make sure that you open the doors for us, guys. As a belief, man. You understand? So sometimes I think I use a connection with how you feel. How you feel about me. It's not about the feeling, but it's about the talent. Yabo ngivulela amathuba ngiyekele nami ngingena kwi-industry yabo siphilisane nami ngizala omunye
Omunye
understand
GMS.
ngoba vele lento kuyashintshwana umuntu isikhathi sakhe siyaphela yabo dedela omunye
Hey, the limelight. No, GMS usugadle kakhulu and
My
uthinta
king.
the valid points
Yeah.
that we need to discuss. Mhlawumbe okunye singakushongo bafethu emakhaya ukuthi kodwa seniyayibamba as we go ukuthi he's a musician. Mhlawumbe emahlehla futhi ngizama ukucheck ukuthi when did you discover ukuthi you can sing noma u in love with music?
Bro, back then when ngisasesikoleni ne
Yeah, primary, high school.
yeah dog yonke into ibidinga music bengiparticipate ngize ngayophuma esikoleni. I remember ukuthi ngesikhathi ngenza imatric ne
Yeah.
kwaphuma statement from principal uDoke wathi umuntu oyenza imatric angeke aza abe khona kwi choral choir yebo because he was doing a choral music esikoleni so
Efuna focus.
Exactly.
Okay.
but I was the only one owaba khona echoir ngenza imatric
Yes.
and naye ngendlela owayengibona
Wayemingile.
ngakhona wayebona ukuthi there's no way lo muntu lento iyaphila kuyena uyayithanda and uyayenza understand so wangiyekela kanjalo mina ngedwa I understand
I get
so
you.
I realized from there ukuthi okay
I'm in love with this.
exactly.
And then when did you start to write your own music? Because I believe musasesikoleni nikezwe ama notes nifundiswe ingoma ebevele zikhona kulungiswa key and stuff. Uyibone kanjani ukuthi hayibo mina ngicikele mina eliphethe into yalo.
Exactly.
Imlolozela ikufikeleni ukuthi I can sleep ngesiso and write my own music.
Noma ngingeka sawukhumbula kahle hle unyaka kodwa ngiyakhumbula ngelinye ilanga ngathi ngiyoperforma ingoma elapha kuyicilongo iculo lasewisile
Okay.
yabo elalisithi dinda kulesecha lombali endala ngiyicula nomunye umntana owayibizwa ngozonke kwakuthiwa zonke lo mntana lo so uprincipal usibone somewhere because leya ngoma samane sayithatha nje lo msayenza iduet yabo she was singing isoprano and then I was singing tenor ne yeah so sayoyiperforma esikoleni kuyifarewell yomunye uprincipal yabo so uma siqeda khona lapho sabe sibizwa futhi eprimary siyo perform the same song kanti kunomunye ubaba owayibizwa ngokuthi uSabatha wayicula igospel lo so usibone khona la and then wasithatha mina nalentombazane wathi ucela ukuthi asebenze nathi nje kancane but ufuna ukusinikeza ithuba sokuthi siyobhala and then yena uzosifaka e-studio so sayenza ke leyo nto leyo nalo mntana loyo sabhala ingoma and then sama sayi-record e-studio sakhe lo baba lo nje kwasuke khona lapho and imina walibhala iculo and then ngazoli-introduce kusisi wami hayi salishaya uyayibona lo nto leyo.
Do you still have the song, the recording of that song?
Unfortunately
I say
it's
sekuyisikhathi.
Yeah, sekuyisikhathi.
No, shout out to that team cause yonke into khona la iqala khona.
Exactly.
Mhlawumbe fast forward I believe sazophela usivakashela kwi-show cause iningi izinto ebengifisa si-unpack si-juice but unfortunately sinika isikhathi esincane kakhulu namhlanje kodwa kuyasilekelela mhlawumbe ukuthi silokhu si-engage more to the show. Ake ngibuye fast forward isla manje mhlawumbe sisuke last year sijombe leminye iminyaka useThekwini uke ububhizi ngani last year music wise?
Njengoba ngila eThekwini ngisebenza nama artists amaningi kakhulu ahlukahlukene ya ngingamenshina nje uPSK ngale ngangimine webank and then even New King and bazoyikhumbula ingoma esiyenzile last year uNolongwe so yeah so yeah siyenzile leyo ngoma now ngibusy no YBZ kunenye futhi ingoma esiyenzile naye ngicabanga ukuthi nje nayo izophuma nje soon
this year
yeah this year I'm not sure ngama dates ukuthi ame kanjani ngicabanga ukuthi bengiyakhuluma naye namanje
I heard you
yeah straight again and then siyo negotiate ukuthi ingoma siyidedela nini ikhona futhi nenye ngibhizi ngayo Norman P
okay
yeah khona enye ngibhizi ngayo Norman P yeah ngicabanga ukuthi nayo mase ngaba si ready ngizonazisa ukuthi siyidedelane khona lapha and then after that there is a serious thing yanazi nina nakumphupha umuntu ngala mina party there is something for you from GMS umfana semakhade vocalist
thank you lapho my king ayiqinisile do you have anything for February yazi ukuthi inyanga ebalekile ebantwini abaningi inaleya date ethile ikhona ingoma mhlawumbe obuphezulu kwayo kule ngoma oyibalile noma because I know your music bafethu go and check his stuff kunengoma engisafisa mina ukuthi uyidedele I don't think ukuthi uyiphushe enough I think it's 3
exactly
I was singing
exactly
amazing
so
tell us more what do you have for people there
King ndingumntu bro wamobelivela kakhulu othandweni I believe ukuthi uthando luyaphila yebo as much as kodwa luhamba lifuna ukuthi lube nama certain things that you need to yabo but ndiyakholelwa kakhulu ukuthi uthando luyaphila so that is why nengoma zami endizibhalayo sihlezi zi about uthando and stuff so Valentine's Day yo akuzobekutshela ngithi baba umuntu wakho umsondeze eduzeke manje sekuyileso sikhathi showcase
okay no bafethu please book him he's available for bookings and he can do live music and I think he's a perfect guy for such content lesikhuluma ngayo love songs your Valentine Sunday chillers zonke nje le ndawo esethekwini zokuphola komhlanga you can book uGMS
that's true
mfowethu what do you have manje ngiziye ngezwa ade sikhuluma a few days back uthi ufuna ukwenza icover nani ngizwile ukuthi no music on the way mhlambe what's pushing you and ngiyacabanga ukuthi kunama clips futhi ozowadedela anytime soon what are you pushing
okay kule ngoma le ile ngoma engiyeze no YBZ ne so iyo le esizayidedela njengamanje but yona it's not about uthando ne I mean if we artist uyafana nomuntu oyimbongi
exactly
uyafana nomuntu oyimbongi ubuka situation bese uqala uthatha ipeni ubhala so that song esizoyidedela no YB it's about what is happening currently la ezweni so sikhuluma kakhulu lapha nomuntu because into esigqugquzela kakhulu noma ngaze kuthiwa ukuphi noma ngaze kuthiwa rich kangakanani noma ngaze kuthiwa njani but unembeza awube khona understanda omunye umuntu akungabe about wena kuphela and siwaridi nge-next generation elandela thina once nibona ukuthi situation ime kanjani kulelizwe mangabe kulimala thina sifike thina kuthiwa ke sikwi-freedom you understand so sifikela kwi-better life but sisifeyisana nezinto ezikakashona you understand so asiyikhuthazi lonto leyo ayingenzeki siyazama nje kakhulu ukukhuluma nabasemagunyeni ukuthi at least unembeza
fethu thinta ama issues are serious and I'm proud ukuzwa iartist ikhuluma into enjalo because amaciko khona lenge ngaba nalo kamashu ngilibuza into efana nale abantu bayasaba basabela ukuthi since uartist uhamba yonke indawo and you might not get opportunities once you are public ukhulume nga such things kanti kodwa ekugcineni kubiza ukuthi nini abantu futhi enamandla because niseduze nombhobho to circulate information fast so we can't wait to hear leyo ngoma and unpack it ngelinye ilanga ukuthi thini mayithi ama valid points bafowethu siyabonga kakhulu and thank you so much GMS for taking your time and respecting the show siyacela ukuthi masiphinde sikucela uphinde usondele
noma kanjani King noma kanjani okunye King ngicabanga ukuthi njengoba nginifihlela le date ukuthi siyayidedela nile ngoma ngizocela ukuthi ningilandele lapha ku Facebook na ku TikTok so ngicabanga ukuthi mase sinayo i-date straight ngizobe ngiyiposta lapha TikTok and Facebook. Facebook umzukisi gift search, then ku TikTok I'm just simply GMS.
Okay, ulapho kuphela.
Yeah, ngilapho nje.
No, thank you so much my king. Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu. Sibonge nani babukele emakhaya, sibonge namhlanje siphethe uproducer omusha ke lapha yana uqwabe. Welcome my king. Siyabonga kakhulu siphathela Mnandi show. Mhlawumbe siphinde sithi bafethu ningakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe nokuringa ibell kulikelela ukuthi makhona into engenayo ku channel ivele ikreportel without ukuthi uziyocheck ukuthi inentsha esikhona. Siphinde la ka-Tech2 TV siney'cathulo zesikole Good People under King Shamase project. Kuyimanje nginama-payout 2 asele usize 5 and size 3 for girls. So makhona abantu abayithandayo le movement ngicela bakhulume nami lapho kuma-comment sibone ukuthi how can we buy more shoes for kids. Noma ngabe uba asikhethi bala mawubona njengane yangakini obonayo ukuthi ngathi sima sikho kahle uyibize eduze uthola abazali bayo and try ukuthi sibalekelele. Ubuntu ke lobo akukho okunye ukudlula lokho if we talk about umuntu. Yeah, for me I'm signing out. I'm your boy King Shamase, GMS obekhona namhlanje kwi show. See you on the next time. Thank you.